And myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atme Green School, Standard 6th. Okay, so we have completed the type of quadrilateral questions on it. Okay, and we are now started to study about the polygons, right? So we are thinking about the figure C, though it is a closure figure but not made up of line segments, so it is not a polygon. Then D figure, though it is a closure figure but not made up of line segments, so it is not a polygon. See here, these two are line segment, but this is the curve na, that's why it is not a polygon. Next, draw a rough sketch of hexagon connecting any three of its vertex. Draw a triangle. Identify the type of triangle you have drawn. Now see here, this is a regular hexagon. What is regular? What is regular hexagon? A hexagon is a regular when its all sides are equal. Okay. See, its all sides are, I have drawn in such a way that its all sides are equal. Okay. Now you are asked to connect any three vertex of a hexagon. So see here, I have drawn two times. Okay. So first of all, we see this darkened one, that is C, F and D. So when I join here C, F and D, so it is the type of triangle. Can anyone tell me which type of triangle it is? If we join the alternate type of if we join the any three vertex, this C, then I taken the fourth one and then sixth one. Okay, so if we join any type any vertex, then we get a scalene triangle. Which triangle is called scalene triangle? Whose three sides are different, right, that are not equal, is called the scalene triangle. So CFD is a scalene triangle. Now think about this dotted triangle. So I have joined the alternate vertex here C, A and E. Okay, so I have joined it with the dotted lines, right? C, A and E. Get it? So this is the triangle. It is equilateral triangle. Okay, which type of triangle it is? It is a equilateral triangle. Okay, have you understand these things? We have drawn the hexagon, which is a regular, and when we join any vertex, then we get a scalene triangle. But when we join the alternate vertex, we get a equilateral triangle. Got it? So next, question 4. Draw a rough sketch of regular octagon. Draw a rectangle by joining exactly 4 of the vertex of a octagon. So see here, it is a regular octagon. It has 8 sides, right? So when we join the two sides of a octagon with the help to make a rectangle, okay, then see here, it is the BGFC is the given rectangle. Okay, next, question 4. We are just asked to draw. We have don't mention anything here. A diagonal is a line segment that okay, I'm sorry. A diagonal is a line segment that joins any two vertex of the polygon and is not a side of the polygon. Draw a rough sketch of pentagon and draw its diagonals. Now see here, what is diagonal? Diagonal is a line segment that joins any two vertex of a polygon. Okay, so if we draw a regular polygon and see its vertex, then we can get here, see here, AD, BD, AC, EC, these are the diagonals of the pentagon. Got it? Next. So we have solved it. Now we see about the three-dimensional figure. So please do me a favor, because these pages are not included in the document on the screen. So please open the book. Only one topic is remained, that is three-dimensional figures. Okay. Open page number 108 please. The last topic we will study in the book. Okay. So see here, we have studied about the plane figures. Now we will study about the three-dimensional figures. So ball, cone, cylinder, box, then dice, pyramids, these are the figures which has three-dimensional. Now we will see its parts. Okay. So see page number 109. So which things we have to study in three-dimensional figure, that is what is faces, what is edges, and what is vertex in three-dimensional figures. Okay. So one by one we study here. Each side of the cube, it is not about the cube. We can take a cuboid, we can take a prism, a pyramid, whatever it may be. Each side of a cube is a flat surface, and this flat surface is called face. Okay. Flat surface of any three-dimensional figure is called a face. When two faces meet at a line segment, it's called a edge. What is an edge? Two faces meet at a line segment is called an edge. Three edges meet at a point is called vertex. So I have told you three definitions. We will repeat again. Fine. Flat surface is called face. Two faces meet at a line segment is called edge. Three edges meet at a point is called vertex. Get it? So see upper figure on the page number 109. It has shown what is face, what is edge, and what is vertex. Get it? Now see the below diagrams. So these are the three-dimensional figures. First is prism, second is cylinder, third is cone, and fourth is sphere. Now you have to count its faces, edges, and vertex of each three-dimensional figure. So most of the time we have to study here. So page number on page number 110 in book, on page number 110, some three-dimensional figures are mentioned with diagrams and also its face, edge, and vertex. So please revise it, because it is important for filling the blanks or in true false. Okay. And you have to understand these things also. It is not for only exams. You have to understand what is three-dimensional figures, how many edges are there in cuboid, how many faces are there in pyramids. Okay. So step by step we will study here. A cuboid is like a rectangular box. So see the first figure on page number 110. Okay, can anyone tell me the example of cuboid? Your pencil box, match box. Okay. Then you can say copy also, book also. It has 6 faces and 4 edges and 4 corners. Remember one thing, how many faces are there? 6 faces. How many edges are there? 4 edges. How many corners are there? 4 corners. Okay. Now next thing, we will think about the cube. Have you seen the diagram? The second diagram is the diagram of cube. Okay. We already drawn it in our CW copy. Okay. A cube is a cuboid whose edges, all edges are equal length.